So if this Johnny gets taken out, and this one has been seasoned, most probably many potjies. But we start this Johnny with the Trinity. So onions and green peppers, and I don't know what that orange things is, and of course garlic. That's the Trinity. So let's roast that Johnny's up a little bit. Alright, so we've got top quality oxtail, we've got Vision Meat oxtail, we've got Frank's oxtail, and we have Menandi oxtail from Cheretsi in Zimbabwe. So all of those Johnnies going into the pot now. Right, and so to top this Johnny off, some prime cut Zam beef shanks. So we're gonna put that in. So I took out the Trinity, that's coming in a little bit later. And then still these Johnnies, watch the magic of these Johnnies. So yeah, now adding the shanks, because why we can. So now comes the magic. No potjie for Trans-Africa when it comes to oxtail, is ever good enough, because you have to have pusam in your oxtail pot. So now I can hear the people now cry, why do you put pisang in the pot? Because in pisang there is there's enzymes, So these enzymes in pisang helps break down the tough muscle that's in an oxtail. Now you must remember what the oxtail does, That thing loops and swaai vliee the whole day, so that thing is more tough. So now we need some pusam to help break down those tough. Kom wys 'n bietjie hoe lyk dit hier op binnekant. So roughly 1 banana for every oxtail. So I'm gonna get some more pusam. I think I have some as well for this Johnny. Man, checkmate. So now we take the lepel. Now we roer it like deur mekaar. And as you can see, we've browned. The oxtail is mooi brown. And now, to have a proper oxtail, kom show hom bietjie hierso. Nee, ons kom speel nie, my broer. Ons kom speel nie. Proper the toys kloof. Thank you so much. And there's the bars of the... So now, we're gonna give it some the toys kloof. Love. Daar's hom so, ou katspoegie. Daar's hom nog so 'n katspoegie oor. My kroon, Kaleboga. Daar's hy. And the choppers are over, so we're gonna start now. So now, we give it time. We leave it for about 4 hours, 5 hours. Then I'm gonna show you what the magic is in that pot. So let's check what this looks like. So this is pusam. Check hier. Kyk wat maak 'n pisang. Kyk wat maak 'n pisang aan 'n oxtail, Fall of the bone. Dit is wat 'n pisang aan 'n oxtail maak. Now tell me, this doesn't look moer lekker. The vultures are circling. The vultures are circling. Kyk hierdie patent. Kyk hierdie boereplan. Kyk net daar. So ja, arrivari. Malinki. Kimunati kaufela. Kyk hoe lyk 'n oxtail Johnny. Kyk wat doen 'n pisang. Krap hom net vir my so 'n bietjie daar van die been af, baby, laat hulle net sien. Hoe kom hy van?
Lekker, kyk hoor.
Haal hom van daai been uit, wys daar, kyk haar. Kom hy van 'n been af,
Laat ek die aardappel.
Nee, moenie my nou my aardappels vat nie. So ja. Daar vat hy.
Kom maar na die koffie.